Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about string inbuilt functions. So as we know, string is represented as str in Python, and it has a couple of inbuilt functions, so which has been exposed to manipulate the string value or string variable. So when we are using these functions to manipulate a string value or string variable, so it will not change the original value. It will generate a new value every time. And why it is happening so? Because string is an immutable object and it does not allow to insert, update, or delete any values from a string from an object after the initialization. So that is the reason it will generate a new value instead of changing the original value. So let's discuss about here the upper and lower function. So what this upper and lower function is basically doing. So when I am going to apply a upper function on a string value, and if it contains alphabets if it contains alphabet, and uh, then in that case all the alphabets will get converted to the uppercase. For an example, let's say a string contains a b c and I am applying upper function on top of that, then all the alphabets present inside the string is converted to the capital ABC. The output will be look like this. And in case of lower function, if a string contains all the alphabets and if I am applying lower function on top of that, then it will convert all the alphabets into lowercase. For an example, here this string contains BAC, all are in uppercase, and if I apply lower function on top of that, then I'll get an output of small BAC. So another use case is, let's say some substring contains numeric characters or the special character. In that case, what will happen? In this case, if we apply the upper and lower function, the value will not be uh, the string will not be manipulated, or the value, whatever the value is there in the string, it will be as is same. And and if a string contains all the uppercase characters, and if you're applying the upper function, then the value will also not be changed. A new value will be generated with uppercase. And in case of the lower also, if a if you're applying a if a string contains all the lowercase and if you're applying the lower function, then in that case also it will generate a new value or new output, but the value will be same as is. So let's see an example of this two function. So here let's say I have declared a variable string underscore 01, and I have stored a string value. Python is a good language inside this, and I have created another variable string underscore 02, and I am applying upper function on top of the string underscore 01, and I am generating the output. I have printed both the variable string underscore 02 and 01 to show you the differences, that the like inbuilt functions are not manipulating the original value, or the original value is not changing. So let's run this program. So if you see here, while the string underscore 02 output is all are in uppercase, and string underscore 01 values all are in lowercase. So what does that mean? The When we are applying any inbuilt functions on top of a variable, the value is not changing at all. The value is as is, but uh, original value is not changing, but it is generating a new value, so which we are storing in case of string underscore 02. And for an example, as I told you before, if a string contains numerical characters or the special characters, so what will happen to in that case, right? So I have declared another variable string underscore 23, and I have stored some numerical characters as well as special characters and alphabets in that string, and I am going to apply the upper function on top of that variable. Let's see. Hello. Yeah, let's run the program. So if you see, the variable values is not the alphabets values has been changed, but the numerical characters and the special character value is not changing. It is as is same. So let's go to the lower function. Let's see the example of the lower function. Here I have declared one variable string underscore 0 Okay, so I'm applying the lower function on the string underscore 01. So I have not created any new variable here. So I am storing the new values, generated values in a another variable string underscore 03. Let's print both the values here. So here if you see the new value whatever generated all are in lowercase, and the original values will is as is here, it's not changed. So similarly, if a string contains the numerical characters or special characters, and if we apply the lower function, then the numerical characters and special characters value will be not be changed, or the lower or upper function is not applicable to those characters, because those characters does not have any lower or upper value, so it won't change, the value will be as is. So that is the example of upper and lower function. So please like and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you.